Are you struggling with a dusty workshop that's making your tools clog, your workspace messy, and your health suffer? If dust control feels like a never-ending battle, you're not alone. But what if I told you the right dust extractor can change everything, keeping your shop clean, improving air quality, and protecting your tools, without breaking your budget? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dust extractor suits your needs, and one model has a feature you probably didn't expect but will love. Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, where we break down tools and equipment simply and honestly so you can make smart buying choices. Today, we're looking at the best dust extractors available right now, from heavy-duty cyclone collectors to compact HEPA filtered units. All these dust extractors are on Amazon, and I've hand-picked them based on power, filtration, ease of use, and value. Whether you're a hobbyist, serious woodworker, or a busy contractor, this guide will help you breathe easier and keep your workspace spotless. Let's jump in. Jet Vortex Cone Dust Collector. The Jet Vortex Cone is a serious powerhouse designed for high-volume dust collection. Featuring a 3-horsepower motor and a unique cone-shaped cyclone design, this collector uses centrifugal force to separate large chips and fine dust before it even reaches the filter. It comes with a large 1-micron cartridge filter that traps even the tiniest particles, improving air quality dramatically. Pros include a massive 500 CFM airflow capacity, excellent dust separation that extends filter life, and rugged steel construction. The downside? It's bulky and best suited for dedicated workshops with plenty of space. This unit is perfect for woodworkers and small shops handling heavy dust loads. Fun fact: the cyclone design prevents filter clogging, which means longer uninterrupted use. Price-wise, it's on the higher end but well worth it for its efficiency. Shop Fox Dust Collector, W1665. Shop Fox's W1665 is a reliable, mid-sized dust collector designed for serious hobbyists and small professional shops. It features a 1.5 horsepower motor and a 2-micron cartridge filter, capturing fine dust efficiently. The unit's 330 CFM airflow makes it suitable for a wide range of stationary tools like table saws, jointers, and sanders. Pros include its compact footprint, easy-to-clean filter, and solid metal construction. A minor drawback is that the filter replacement cost can add up over time. This model is best for users who want a dependable, space-conscious dust collector without the premium price tag. Little-known feature: the unit comes with a remote start/stop port compatible with many power tools for automatic operation. VacMaster Wet/Dry Vac with cyclonic dust bags. Next, the VacMaster Wet/Dry Vacuum is a versatile all-rounder that handles both liquid spills and dry dust with cyclonic dust bags for improved filtration. It has a powerful 6.5 peak horsepower motor and a 12-gallon capacity, making it a great choice for heavy cleanup jobs. The cyclonic action spins dust away from the filter, reducing clogging and keeping suction strong longer. Pros are its multifunctionality: you can vacuum water and dust, plus portability and easy emptying. Cons include a slightly noisy motor and the need to buy replacement dust bags over time. Ideal for contractors and DIYers who want a vacuum and dust collector combo without 2 separate machines. Interesting fact: cyclonic dust bags are reusable and extend filter life significantly. Price range is mid-tier, offering great value for a combo machine. Festool HEPA Dust Extractor, CT36EACHD. Festool's HEPA Dust Extractor is a high-end, ultra-portable solution for those who demand clean air at the job site or in a small shop. Its standout feature is a true HEPA filter rated to capture 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns, perfect for health-conscious woodworkers and contractors. It has a 120 CFM airflow, which is lower than big stationary units but sufficient for hand tools and sanders. Pros are excellent filtration, quiet operation, and lightweight design with wheels for easy transport. Cons: it's not designed for heavy chip collection and commands a premium price. Best for finish carpenters, painters, or anyone working indoors who needs maximum dust control. Fun fact: Festool system can integrate with their power tools for automatic activation. Bucktool Wall Mount Dust Collector. Finally, the Bucktool Wall Mount Dust Collector is a clever space-saving option designed to mount on your workshop wall, keeping your floor area clear. It features a 1.5 horsepower motor and a 4-micron filter cartridge. With 370 CFM airflow and a sturdy steel housing, it offers solid performance for small to medium workshops. Pros include its compact footprint, easy installation, and decent filtration for the size. The cons are a slightly smaller dustbin capacity and moderate noise levels. Ideal for home shops or tight spaces where floor real estate is limited. Interesting fact: the wall mount design helps reduce vibration and noise compared to floor models. Price-wise, it sits comfortably in the mid-range category.
So how do these dust extractors stack up? For heavy-duty dust separation and capacity, the jet vortex cone is king. If you want a versatile vacuum and dust collector combo, VacMaster is your best bet. The Shop Fox W1665 hits the sweet spot for mid-range performance and space saving. For those needing top-tier filtration and portability, the Festool HEPA unit is unmatched. And if you have limited space but want a solid dust collection system, the Bucktool wall mount model is an excellent choice. All the dust extractors I mentioned today have Amazon links in the description below. Check them out to see current prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join Tool Mentorship for more honest, easy-to-understand tool reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to a cleaner, safer workspace. See you next time.